In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Square ACH with Jotform. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click My Workspace and select My Forms. Click Create Form, choose Start from Scratch, and then select Classic Form. In the Form Builder, click Add Element, open the Payments tab, and add the Square payment element to your form. Select the payment field, then click Payment Properties. In the right panel, click the Connect button, enter a connection name, and select Connect with Square. Sign in to your Square account to complete the connection. After your account is connected, choose the appropriate payment type and currency. Then select the email field from your form so payment confirmations are sent to your customers. If you want to authorize payments before capturing them, enable the Authorization Only option. To accept ACH payments, go to the Payment Method section and enable Bank Transfer. Finally, click Preview Form to test the payment flow and make sure everything is working correctly before publishing your form. That's how to use Square ACH with Jotform. Thanks for watching.